Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make caramel Rava pudding. Toast the semolina until fragrant and make a clear caramel to avoid bitterness. Combine warm milk and ghee slowly while stirring to prevent lumps and permit even swelling. Simmer gently until the pudding reaches a creamy consistency and aromatic finish. Finish by pouring into a dish and allowing it to set slightly before serving for best texture and flavor. Gather semolina, milk, sugar, ghee, and any spices you prefer before starting. Measure ingredients to keep the milk to Rava ratio balanced and prevent a grainy result. Toast the semolina in ghee until it smells nutty and golden, which improves texture and flavor. Prepare a clear caramel separately and pour it into the cooking pan before adding milk to ensure even color and taste throughout the pudding. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep and pudding storage so easy, and they save spills during transport, which is perfect for leftovers. They seal tightly and stack neatly in the fridge, making cleanup faster and smarter. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Begin by toasting the Rava in ghee on medium heat, stirring continuously for even color. Make the caramel in a separate pan until it reaches a deep amber hue, then add a splash of hot water carefully to stop cooking. Slowly stir hot milk into the caramel, then fold in toasted Rava and simmer gently while stirring to prevent lumps. Cook until thickened and aromatic, then let it rest briefly before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.